Psychedelic therapy, what science really says. So, you've probably heard the buzz about psychedelic therapy, but what does the psychology research actually say? Under clinical supervision, and that part is very important, substances like psilocybin and MDMA have shown promising results for treatment resistant depression and PTSD. Now, they don't fix you instantly, but they soften rigid thinking patterns and can make emotional processing so much easier. But here's the truth: it's not the drug that heals, it's the therapy that happens during and after the experience. Without a trained guide, safe context, and integration, the benefits drop dramatically and the risks increase. Psychedelics aren't magic, they're tools, powerful ones, and still being carefully studied. Hopeful, but not hype.